Hey all, Matt from Style Factory here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Semrush Guru trial that gives you 14 days of entirely free access to a fully functional Guru account. I'll walk you through the process in just a moment, but first, a couple of words on why you might want to use the Guru plan over the other Semrush subscriptions. For us, the Semrush Guru plan represents the sweet spot in its plan lineup, and it's the one we use here at Style Factory. For less than twice the price of the Pro plan, it lets you work with 3 times as many projects, lets you track 3 times more keywords, and lets you audit 3 times as many pages per month. It also unlocks Semrush's powerful content marketing toolkit, which gives you a host of useful features for planning and executing a content campaign. And normally speaking, you can't try it for very long. The standard Semrush Guru trial lasts just 7 days, but because we're an official affiliate partner of Semrush, we're able to exclusively share an extended 14-day free trial with our community. Here's how you get your hands on it. Step 1. Use our special sign-up link. The first thing you'll need to do to get your free Guru account is to sign up to Semrush via our special partner link, which you'll find in the video description or on screen now. This will take you to a special area of the Semrush site where you can start your Guru trial. Just click the Try It Free button to continue the sign-up process. Step 2. Create your Semrush account. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you enter your email address and create a password for your new Semrush account. You'll then be sent an email containing a verification code. Enter this into Semrush when prompted. Step 3. Enter your card details. Now you'll be asked to enter your credit card details. This may seem a little off-putting, but don't worry, your card will not be charged until your 14-day trial period has ended, and you can cancel your Guru account easily before then. You'll find a link to cancellation instructions in the video description. Step 4. Enjoy your trial. Once you've entered your card details, you can enjoy your free Semrush Guru trial and access a host of additional features not provided by the Semrush Pro plan. These include content marketing tools, historical data, and much more generous reporting limits for its Keyword Magic tool. Now, before I go, there's a couple of things to note about your trial. You have 14 days to use Semrush before your card will be charged. If you don't want to proceed with a subscription, you'll need to use Semrush's cancellation form before then. If you forget to cancel your trial, a 7-day refund policy applies, so long as you're not in breach of Semrush's terms of service. And that's it. You now have access to a fully functional and free Semrush Guru trial. I hope you've enjoyed this video, but there's lots more to learn about Semrush. Google Style Factory Semrush Review for a deep dive into all the pros and cons of the platform, or Style Factory Semrush Pro versus Guru for a feature comparison of the Pro and Guru plans. Before you go, please do like this video, hit subscribe and click the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you easy access to all our SEO tips and offers going forward. And finally, if you have any queries about the Semrush Guru trial, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.